Hi everyone. Whenever you start digging with your iDig system, or you want to check and see if it's in good calibration, the easiest way to do it is put your teeth out on a flat spot like I have them out there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the panel and I'm going to hit my 0, and I'm just going to zero the system out. So now that's my 0 point. Now if I roll, sorry I'm holding the camera and doing this at the same time, so it's going to be a little bit hard here, but so we'll go down, and now what I've done when I touch my teeth down, I've just changed the angle of that bucket, and I look over here on the panel and it says there's an 1/8 inch difference. Well, that's fine, that's not much at all. So then if I continue to roll the bucket over, I'm going to go ahead and extend out a little bit. So what I want though is I want those teeth coming down in the same place pretty much all the time. So there I'm actually back a hair. Let's go forward, go down. Now we can come down. Okay. So all I'm doing is just making sure that we're pretty close to where we should be in the calibration part of it. Okay, so we're within a half inch right there. So, or 5/8. So that's fine. But if we were out very much farther, I'd want to be seeing if I got some other kind of problem with the system or something. So what I'm going to do is, you can see I got the aluminum rod out there on the side of the bucket pin, and I have the laser set up there. So I'm going to take, say you had a tilt on here, and of course I have a bucket on here. We can take both those parts out of the system to figure out if we have a problem somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to system, and I'm going to create a ghost bucket or a fake bucket, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to go bucket, and then I'm going to do manual, and if it would let me create a 0, then I'll do 0. It's not going to let me create a 0, so the smallest length bucket it'll let me create is 1/8. Okay, and then the same, it's going to let me create a 1/8 on the width of that bucket right there. So, and when I get to here where it says horizontal or vertical, I really don't care about that. I do care about what side my sensor's on, and my sensor's on the left side. So I'm going to hit that right here. I get to done, and I'm just going to name that fake 1. So I already have another fake bucket in here, so we're just going to call that fake 1. Hit save, and it tells me my name of the bucket, fake 1, length is 1/8 inch, sensor offset, and the width. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit OK here. Now what that's going to do is I'm just going to use the lineup then. So I'm just going to raise till I hit that laser out there. Just went by it. Okay, there's my laser. So it wants to recalibrate here. That's okay. We'll do that real quick here. It's just because I'm in the advanced mode. Well, actually, it's just because I have offset on, which is your blue, and reach over here, which is your red. That's because I have those on. It's doing that. It wouldn't do that if I didn't have those enabled there. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is, since we got our laser beam hitting out there on that little aluminum pin, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to 0 right here. Okay, and when I 0 right here, now I'm going to go ahead and bring everything in. So, and then I'm going to find that laser way back closer to the machine. Need to come up a little. Sorry, I'm holding my phone doing this at the same time. So I just keep coming up slowly. There it is. I just saw it go by. So I was doing that with my elbows, and I'm going to put my hand back on there. Okay, that's pretty close. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. So if we look over here, we're only off 1/8 of an inch. So that's really good. It's going from 1/8 to 1/4. But that's really good in this situation, because I just parked here quick. It's not quite level ground and all that kind of stuff. But I just wanted to show you how you would take out your bucket and your tilt if you had one on there. If you're having problems with thinking your machine's out of specifications, that is actually a good check to do you know, the teeth on your benchmark. I would do that every time before I go to dig something. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.